Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, August 7, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video and let you know why I strongly believe that gotbackup is the best new MLM company in South Africa. Alright, now if you don't know what gotbackup is, it's simply a data storage software that allows you to store all of your files, whether it be photos, music, email, documents, whatever you have on any of your devices. Okay, these devices can be a smartphone, a laptop, a desktop, a tablet. Any of your devices, you can use gotbackup to safely secure all of your important information, okay? Alright, so this is how it all works. Alright, like I mentioned, you can secure all of your photos, music, emails, videos, documents. You can access your files anywhere. Alright, so no matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can access your files, okay? There's super fast transfers. We do not limit your transfer speeds or bandwidth. Our data centers have super fast connectivity. This is good for Macs and Windows. We also have an app for both the iPhone and Androids. You can get started for as low as $8.99 a month, but I'm going to show you a better plan here in just a second. Everything is automated 100%. So once you download this onto your whatever device you're using, you can select to have all of your videos be automatically backed up, all of your photos, your entire system, whatever you want, okay? It's totally up to you how you configure what you want saved. Super secure backups, and then like I mentioned, we have the mobile apps, okay? Now, here's the two plans. We have the $8.99 plan, which is good for 1 terabyte, and you can only use it for one account, okay? So 99% of all the people who join gotbackup join at the family plan. It's $9.97 a month. This is good for 6 separate accounts, so you can share this with up to 5 other people. You can use it on unlimited amount of devices, and you get 6 terabytes of backup, okay? You also get priority support, which is top-notch. But 6 terabytes of backup is enough for about 1.5 million photos. Okay, if you take pictures. That's just an example. It's a lot of data storage. Alright, so you can separate that however you want. You know, I have my own account. My wife has her own account. I think the majority of people on our team who have signed up a spouse or a partner, they all have their own accounts. Okay, so $9.97 a month, you can get started with this. We also have a reseller program. Right, this is the main point of this video. It is a one-time $40 fee to become a reseller, and I'll put the link down below, or you can just visit gotbackupsystem.com to watch the short video and decide if this is something you want to try out or not. But right here you can see unlimited width frontline, so you can recruit as many direct referrals as possible. Okay, and I'm going to show you some statistics over in South Africa here in just a second. Unlimited Death Power Line, 200% direct commissions on month number 1. All right, so whenever you sign up somebody, you're going to get paid 200% commissions on your first month. All right, that's followed by 25% direct commissions after month 1. You're also going to receive a 25% check match for all your direct referrals. So for example, if you have somebody coming in and they earn $1,000 in 1 month, you're going to earn $250 out of that. Okay. Now, if you had 10 people doing that, you'd earn $2,500 a month, okay? So this is a really good compensation plan. I love everything about this compensation plan. It's super easy to understand, and it just works, okay? You're going to use leverage from other people to earn money, and we just work together as a team to help everybody build and earn money, okay? So there's all information here. Again, I'll leave the link down below, or you can just visit gotbackupsystem.com, okay, to learn all about this. Now, another cool thing, South Africa, I don't know what the main language is, but I know Afrikaans is one of the main languages. You can simply use this Google Translator here and select Afrikaans, and it's going to translate this entire page into Afrikaans, okay? So it's super easy to share this with anybody wherever you are throughout the world. All right, and it's just another awesome feature that we have here at gotbackup. Some other things to tell you quickly about this company. The parent company is 25 years old. All right, it's a debt-free company. The owner and CEO, Joel Tarian, he's been online since 1997. He's earned over $300 million online in this time period. And so it's a super solid company. It's not going anywhere. There's not going to be any rug pulls or anything like that. It's here to stay. And this is something that's going to be huge because while there are competitors in the marketplace, like Dropbox and iCloud, there is no competitors in the network marketing space, okay? And we provide way more value than any other company that has data backup, all right? It doesn't mean we're better than them. We're just providing more value, all right? Not only do we have a compensation plan, the other companies are offering 2 terabytes of backup for $10 a month. We have 6 terabytes, okay? That can be shared with up to 5 other people. So this is one, it's a digital product. Anybody with a smartphone can use it. And, this I really believe is going to be the biggest network marketing MLM company opportunity in South Africa, okay? Now, look at this. This is South Africans' average salary per month, okay? It's 27,100 ZAR per month, which equates to about $1,394 USD. All right, so you can start this global business for a one-time payment of $40 to become a reseller, and then $9.97 a month. We also have a yearly option where you can pay upfront for the year. You pay your $40 one-time reseller fee, and then $99.97 for the entire year for a total of $139.97. You have yourself a global business. All the marketing tools and everything you need to be successful with this, you get inside the back office. We have 4 trainings every week, and it just doesn't get any better than this, folks, okay? If you're looking for a way to supplement your income, quit your 9-to-5 job, retire early, whatever it is, the sky's the limit with this company, okay? So you can see, though, with a 27,100 ZAR per month, a $9.97 monthly fee is very easily afforded here in this country. Now, the next cool stat is the number of smartphone users in South Africa, okay? And you can see here, 2023, 26.3 million smartphone users in South Africa right now. So you have a huge market, okay? Not only can you focus on sharing this with people in South Africa, but this is a global opportunity, okay? We're in 105 countries now, and we just launched back on April 4th. This is where it's at, folks. If you're looking for a network marketing company to join and you're in South Africa, click on that link down below or visit gotbackupsystem.com. It's going to take you over to a page that looks just like this. There's a 6-minute video here that you can watch. You simply enter your name and a valid email address and click reserve my position now, all right? Then when I see you pre-enroll, I'm going to send you a welcome email. You're going to get all my contact information. I'm here to help you. I do this full time. So check out the link, check out this video, see if it resonates with you, and if it does, sign up right here and just reserve your position. You're going to get taken into a temporary back office where you can check more things out about this company, and you can also join from that page as well, okay? And I'll just give you a quick little glimpse inside the back office. When you join, you're going to get this welcome video right here, all right? So walk through the whole entire back office. You're going to get reseller tools, all right? You're going to see all the pages that you get to promote. And as you can see here, this is still in Afrikaans, all right? I haven't changed it back. You're going to get banners. You're going to get advertising, ad copy. You're going to get social media banners. Everything you need to be successful. So, again, visit gotbackupsystem.com. The link is down in the video description and pinned in the comment section. So these are the reasons why I strongly feel that GotBackup is the best new MLM company in South Africa. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find any value, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I really, truly, greatly appreciate it. So, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.